Creating a front yard landscaping design that looks appealing throughout all seasons requires careful selection of plants, hardscaping elements, and design features. If you are planning to design your front yard from scratch, or looking for ideas to revamp existing front yard, to improve the curb appeal of your home, this video is going to explore wonderful ideas for different front yard styles. It is an exciting opportunity to create a beautiful and functional outdoor space that enhances the curb appeal of your home and provides a welcoming environment for you and your visitors to enjoy. Let's explore different ideas and options to design the front yard garden. If you are looking for low-maintenance front yard and wanted to keep the green foliage for all seasons of the year, you must incorporate a variety of evergreen shrubs and trees to provide structure and greenery year-round. Consider the available space and keep in mind the mature growth and width of the shrubs and trees for better visual appeal. There are a variety of small to mid-sized evergreen shrubs with bright contrast colors to boost curb appeal for most seasons of the year. Let's explore a few compact to mid-sized evergreen shrubs. Planting mix of evergreens with flowering shrubs is another best economical option for best curb appeal of the front yards. It is most desirable option for many garden lovers as it maintains the green foliage along with wonderful blooms from flowering shrubs. Bloom time of the flowering shrubs may vary. So choose the plants that blooms in various times of the year to bring wonderful landscape appearance. Hydrangeas, azaleas, butterfly bush, knockout roses, lilac, weigela, and rhododendrons are most popular flowering shrubs, and it grows well in most zones. And the best part is, evergreens and flowering shrubs act as foundation shrubs for home landscaping. Do not forget to maintain the proper soil conditions and watering schedule to keep these bushes in healthy conditions. Creating an elevated front yard can add visual interest and enhance the curb appeal of your home. Build retaining walls to create terraced levels in your front yard. These walls can be made from a variety of materials such as stone, brick, and concrete blocks. Terracing allows you to create distinct planting areas on each level and adds dimension to your landscape. Design raised walkways and paths to connect different areas of your front yard. Elevating pathways adds visual interest and can help define the flow of traffic through your landscape. Designing a rock garden for your front yard can create a stunning and low-maintenance landscape that adds texture and interest to your outdoor space. Select a variety of rocks and boulders in different shapes, sizes, colors, and textures to elevate the landscape area. Choose a mix of drought-tolerant and low-growing plants that thrive in rocky soil conditions for your rock garden. Choose plants with varying heights, colors, and textures to create a dynamic and visually appealing landscape. Apply a layer of gravel or decorative mulch around the rocks and plants to create a finished look and help to retain soil moisture. Install landscape lighting to rock garden to elevate the visual interest and to increase overall appearance. Incorporating large containers in your front yard landscaping can add visual interest, provide focal points, and allow for versatile plantings. Choose containers that complement the style and architecture of your home. And place them near the entrance, along pathways, or on either side of the driveway to welcome visitors and enhance curb appeal. Best part is, use the containers to showcase the seasonal plantings throughout the year. Choose a variety of plants such as annual flowers, ornamental grasses, perennials, or small trees that provide color and interest in each season. Opt for low-maintenance plants and drought-tolerant species in your container gardens to minimize upkeep. Installing water features into your front yard landscaping can add unique appearance, and it enhances the visual appeal of overall landscape area of the home. Choose water fountain style and size that complements the architecture and scale of your home. Tiered fountains and wall-mounted fountains are most popular choice to easy to handle and maintain it. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. Please drop a like to this video for channel encouragement. If you are interested in more garden and home interior ideas, please subscribe to House Talks channel for weekly videos.